Cut your ribbon out. I've got white, orange, and yellow, and this is going to be for the candy corn part. I've cut them to about 4 inches. These ones are 5/8 of an inch, and this one is 7/8 of an inch, just because I didn't have a 5/8 one. And you can do 7/8 with them, the other two, if you'd like, if you want to use what you have. So the first thing that we're going to do after we've got them cut, we're just going to glue them together. And so how I'm going to do that is I'm just going to take my hot glue gun and lightly place hot glue along the bottom. I'm going to take your orange and place it on top. You just take the sides, bring them together, and then we're gonna glue the back. And then bring it together. And then I don't want so much of that tail coming out, so I'm just gonna cut it. And whenever you cut it, you gotta make sure the silly ends of the ribbon so it doesn't fray. Okay. And then now I'm just gonna fill the inside a little bit with hot glue, and then we're gonna bring it together. You just need a tiny dab. And then bring it down. And then we take our scissors and cut off the excess. And again, we'll go back and seal the ends. All right, and that finishes our candy corn. So now let's go get our corker ribbon and make a corker bow. And cut them however big you want for your bow. I've cut mine to 3.5 inches. And after you've cut them, make sure to seal your ends. So have your needle and thread ready, and make sure that you have a really good knot on the end of your thread, because we're gonna be pulling pretty hard. Okay, so taking your corker, find the center and stick the needle through. And we're just going to keep doing it in that order, or whatever order you want to do. So continue threading them onto the needle. Once you have all your corkers on your needle, squish down your corker bow so you can see both sides. And then we're gonna pull the needle through and then bring it back through. And we want to go through all the ribbon. And we're going to go in and out about just a ton of times, just to make sure that it's really secure. And you can tell when you're doing it if you need to do it a few more times. When you've gone through and now it's secure, we're just going to take a couple stitches in the back. Okay, so our corker bow is done, and now we're going to add our center. So taking your corker, we're going to take the back and add our clip. So I'm taking the back of my candy corn, I'm just adding hot glue, and place it on. And that finishes our candy corn corker bow.